Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, so y'all know the spiel. Current subscribers, thank you for coming back. You know I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the comments, the encouragement, the feedback. And for the new subscribers, this is a great time for you to hit the subscribe button because you are not going to want to miss any of the crafty uploads, any of the DIYs, any of the hauls, project shares, chit chat. Yeah, there's some chit chat going on here. Not a whole lot, but I do have my days where I need to unload and give you some of my mental, just share some of my thoughts with you. So if you don't mind that, then you'll love it here. So go ahead and click the subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell. All right, so I am not going to keep y'all here long. I've got quite a few masculine cards that I am going to need to push out. I am hoping to do so in batches. Some birthday cards. I actually need to do a set of, what do you call it? Sympathy cards or thinking of you cards for a few friends who have gone through surgeries and things of that nature. But for now, I want to focus in on some masculine cards, birthday cards. My dad's birthday's coming up in a couple of months. And honestly, I need a couple of months just to prepare one thing and that thing and this handmade craft. And anyways, and then my a family member's boyfriend, whatever you want to call it, his birthday's next week, and I need to get that card up to New York. And then there's some other birthdays coming up. And did I mention my birthday is next month in August, guys? No, you don't need to know how old I'll be turning. You'll find out probably on my birthday. I don't know. Maybe I'll tell you, maybe I won't. Anywho, so I'm just going to share with you guys this Destinations paper crafting kit that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I purchased it on clearance for $2.24. Now, the reason why I'm sharing it is because I plan on using it. Oh God, let me get it together. And using it for the masculine themed cards. It's really just an easy go-to theme for masculine cards. It's really kind of a no-brainer because of the neutral tones, and I don't have to try and pull the pinks out and the high heels out of the paper kits. It's easier for me to do it like this. So, but I do plan on scanning some of these pieces in to use for future projects. So let's just take a look what we have here. It says we have 4 12x12 one-sided scrapbook papers, 4 12x12 two-sided scrapbook papers, 2 clear sticker sheets, 1 alpha sticker sheet, 1 tracing stencil template, 16 die cut shapes and frames. I think I'm going to have to scan quite a bit of this in because I honestly, let me just stop talking and show y'all what we're working with, okay? Because I can talk all day. No one's here for that. We are all here for the visuals. Okay, so this is the stencil that they were talking about, and there's some bits and pieces in there. I'm going to pull them a few out, some frames and tags. And this is mostly for scrapbooking, although you can use it in other paper crafting, like your journal. Oh, I'm definitely going to have to utilize these. Look at that cute little postcard. Girl, do y'all see that? How adorable is that? Oh, okay. Look at that one as well. Y'all getting that? Oh, look at the Eiffel Tower. And I like the vintage feel of it. Feel, theme, whatever you want to call it. I'll get my tongue together tomorrow. Today, I'm just going to be stumbling all over the place. But you love me, so you'll bear with me, right? Leaning Tower of Pisa. My son calls it pizza. We've all been there. Another tag. Italian art there. Mm-hmm. Isn't that divine? And then so some duplicates here, and then there's some frames. Hotel de Milan, Rome. These are really cute. Tags. It looks like, you know, aged. And so here are the, okay, the clear sticker sheets with, look at that one, it's full of stamps. I have got to scan that sucker in because I need these for my own ephemera. Is it picking up? Is it focusing for y'all? I hope so. But oh my goodness. Isn't that pretty? And then this one is just like some landmarks. Travel themed. Bon voyage. And I think one of the reasons why I wanted to use this is because I think when you get to a certain age in life, the word travel doesn't necessarily, is not always synonymous with going places. It's also synonymous, it also puts you in the mind of growing and growth and next chapters and such. So I think that would be fitting. So here's one of the one-sided, and this paper is not very thick. Look what we have here. That's pretty. 12 by 12. Postcards. So for $2.24, and this, I love the colors in here. I don't know if you can really catch most of it, but there's like navy blue and like a celery green or celadon. Anyways, and then I love the writing and what have you on there. And then I love this sheet here. I don't think I won't be using this. I absolutely will. It looks like old business cards. Oh, how cute. Okay, and then the last two. Oh, look at the map. Is that a map of Italy? It is. Look at the boot in Sicily. Kicking the rock. That is really pretty. And then this was the last one that I kept sliding past. So anyways, I plan on using this for the men's paper crafting, so stay tuned for some upcoming videos featuring that. Now, if there's something else you want me to make with that, with this, and here's the alphas, let me know in the comments below. And if you have a video of a masculine themed card or masculine themed handcrafted gifts, please let me know so that I can come and check them out and maybe get some inspiration so that I can get started on my dad's birthday gift for September, which is also my anniversary month. Anywho, that's a whole lot of information. Nevertheless, thanks for stopping by, and until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, you can hit the thumbs down button. It's not, it ain't gonna hurt my analytics. It just lets me know that I need to work on some things, but I appreciate your feedback either way. Anyways, guys, bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafting community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.